Hello students, now we are continuing the next examples of pair of straight lines. Question number 8. If the slope of one of the lines given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, lines given by is 4 times the other, show that 16h square is equal to 25ab. How to solve the above question? In answer, let two slopes m1 and m2 be the slopes of the line. Slope of the line given by equation, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. In question, condition is first slope is 4 times other than, that is m1, we take first slope m1, that is equal to 4 times of other slope, second slope, that is condition m1 is equal to 4m2. We know that the addition of two slopes, that is m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h divided by b. Equation number first we will give, and product of two slopes, that is m1 into m2 is equal to a divided by b. We will give equation number second. Substituting given condition, that condition is first slope is equal to 4 times of other slope, suppose second slope. We will give equation number 3. This condition substituting in equation first, we have equation first is m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h divided by b, and condition is value of m1 is equal to 4m2. Put the value of m1 in above equation first, that is 4m2 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h divided by b. Add this, we get value is 5m2 is equal to minus 2h divided by b. Therefore only value m2 is equal to minus 2h divided by 5 into b. We will give equation number 4. Now substituting again equation number 3 condition in equation second, we have equation number second is multiplication of two slopes, that is m1 into m2 is equal to a divided by b. Put the value of m1 is equal to 4m2 in equation second. We get the equation is 4m2 into m2 is equal to a divided by b. 4 into m2 is equal to a divided by b. We have, and so we get the equation that is 4m2 square is equal to a divided by b. 4m2 square is equal to a divided by b. Therefore, value of m2 square is equal to a divided by 4 into b. We will give equation number 5. Substituting equation number 4 in equation number 5, we get, substitute equation number 4 in equation number 5, we get minus 2h divided by 5b bracket square is equal to a divided by 4b. Take the square minus 2h, that is 4h square divided by 5, b 25 into b square is equal to a divided by 4 into b. We multiply above equation by 25. We have, means we get the equation is 25 into 4h square divided by 25 into b square is equal to 25 into a divided by 4b. 25 get cancelled. We get the value is 4h square divided by b square is equal to 25a divided by 4b. Only value of 4h square is equal to 25a divided by 4b into b square. b and square get cancelled and we get the value is 4h square is equal to 25a divided by 4. Then we take here value 4. Therefore, 4 into 4h square is equal to 25a. That is equal to 16h square is equal to 25a. Hence proved, or this is required condition. This is required condition. Now the last question. If one of the lines given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 bisects an angle between the coordinate axis, then show that in bracket a plus b bracket square is equal to 4h square. We solve above equation. Coordinate axis, draw a coordinate axis, x-axis, then y-axis, angle of inclination line, that is 90 degree. Bisect means two same angles, 45 degree, 45 degree. Total angle measurement is 90 degree. Therefore, theta 1 is equal to 45 degree x-axis, then y-axis, and value of theta 2 is equal to 135 degree. That is 90 plus 45, 135. Bisects these two angle measurements equals or same. The auxiliary equation of line is, we know that auxiliary equation of the line given by in above equation, above example, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is its auxiliary equation. That is, we know that bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0. That is auxiliary equation. since one of these lines is the bisector of an angle between the coordinate axis line. Therefore, its inclination angle theta is equal to 45 degree or 135 degree. Inclination angle is 45 or 135 degree with the positive x-axis direction. Its direction is positive x-axis, that is positive x-axis direction. Positive x-axis, that is slope m. Therefore, slope m then tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree. We know that the value of tan 45 is 1. Or slope m we take, when we take that slope m in tan measurement, that is tan theta is equal to tan 135 degree. It is equal to denote the tan 180 minus 45 degree is equal to minus tan 45 degree. We know that the formula, that season is equal to minus 1 value. Slope is minus 1. Both the slopes are positive 1 and negative 1. Then we know that the auxiliary equation and values of both m1 and m2 finding out the values, slope first and slope second. Then this is the required values, and slope m is positive or negative, that is plus 1 or minus 1. Therefore, the slope is, that is m is equal to plus or minus 1 are the roots of the auxiliary equation. That are the roots of the auxiliary equation. Therefore, we write the auxiliary equation bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0. We put the value of m is equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore, we get the above equation is b plus or minus 1 square plus 2h into plus or minus 1 in the place of m, and plus a is equal to 0. Therefore, value of plus or minus 1 square is 1. Therefore, b into 1 plus or minus 2h plus a is equal to 0. Therefore, a plus b is equal to its minus or plus 2h. Squaring both sides, we get the above equation is a plus b bracket square is equal to minus 2h bracket square, means minus or plus 2h bracket square. We get the value is a plus b bracket square is equal to 4h square. Positive and negative square is positive, that is 4h square. This is the required condition. This is the required condition. Remaining examples of exercise 4.1 for homework. If any doubt, we have to discuss in doubt session. Okay, we will stop here.